just came in, I'm gonna make sure that it fits. This is the GoPro 9. Anything that fits, I believe the GoPro 9 will fit the GoPro 10 and 11, according to the website. So I'm gonna put this on. If you film outside, this is a good thing to have because it blocks the wind noise. It does it very, very well. I already have one I did a video on. I just bought another set because after, I don't know, a couple of years now since I've had it, or about a year, the actual Windslayer, this foam just, starts to give way because it is foam. Eventually though, as time goes on, it just doesn't fit anymore the correct way. But it's really good. It blocks all the mics. It puts a layer of noise reduction, and it does a good job at it. On my videos that I do, so just making sure this fits. I highly recommend this. It works very well. And you have a mic here. See? And this covers it. It doesn't muff it. You can still hear clearly. It just reduces the noise, the wind noise. There's a mic here. Okay. And then there's a mic on the side over here, I believe. A mic here somewhere. On this side, I forget where is it. It might be up here. You just have one more mic, I believe. This is the GoPro 9. The 11 has them in the locations I just showed you as well. So I'm just kind of just doing a look at. It works really well. I put in additional noise reduction by putting those little mic filters. They look like someone's hair. Like a hair piece, real tiny ones, and I put them there. I glue them to the mic areas as well. I put them under here, and then I overlap this, and you can still hear people just fine, no issues. It just reduces the noise. I do a lot of driving with this on top of my car, so this helps very, very much in reducing noise. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. I think pretty much any brand, they're pretty similar. They're probably much more high quality ones that you can buy. I buy the cheap ones and just replace them as, time goes on. I think this was about $4 or $5 each. They weren't too much at all. I'm not a professional, but it works. It reduces the noise. I don't hear the wind as much. I don't like to use the wind reduction electronic technology in the GoPro because there are times in the video, if I'm filming for a while, there are times in the video I get this crackling noise, this weird noise. And I noticed that it only happened when I put the noise or the wind reduction on the GoPro, the electronic. When I set that to on or auto, maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes into the video, I get this crackling noise and no noise at all. It's like a, and then it stops. And I hear the normal sound. And it works well, except for that crackling noise. It's just that I don't like. So I just turn that off and I use the noise reducing physical devices like this foam and the mic, the little mic cover thing. Looks like someone's hair. You know what I'm talking about. I forget what the name is. You stick them on here, and it's a little furry thing, and it's, that reduces noise. I'll leave a link on that below, the little mic covers. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. Bye now.